Hello dear student. This step-by-step video guide will help you in filling the ONGC scholarship form on the ONGC Scholar portal. This scholarship is for students in their first year for the academic year 2021. You can access the portal by typing ongcscholar.org in your browser. Once the website loads, click on the Apply Scholarship button. The screen will now display 6 categories for which the scholarship is available. This includes SC/ST, OBC and General category, and students can apply for either an undergraduate or a postgraduate scholarship program. Select the category applicable to you. Once you select any category, the screen shows the eligibility criteria like age, minimum marks in 12th, annual family income, etc. Once you read all the rules, select the I have read and understood the guidelines for registration checkbox. Now, download the Declaration of College and Undertaking of Applicants by clicking on the Declaration and Undertaking buttons. These will be required later when submitting the application form. You need to fill both the undertaking and the declaration, sign them and upload a scanned copy. Now, we are ready to apply for the scholarship. Click on the Apply button. The application form is divided into 6 sections. Let us take a look at each section one by one. The first section requires you to fill in basic details about yourself, like name, date of birth, annual income, etc. Fill these details as shown. Please fill all the details as per your government records. The maximum annual income limit is different for different categories. For SC/ST category, it cannot be more than 4.5 lakh. For OBC and General category, it cannot be more than 2 lakh. Once you fill all the details correctly, the next button is enabled. Next section in the form is where you will need to enter your address details. You can fill these details as shown. Correspondence address should contain details of your current residential address and should be as per your government records. If your permanent address is the same as your correspondence address, you can check this checkbox. Otherwise, you can fill your permanent address details in the similar way. Click on the next button to proceed to qualification section. Here you can enter the details of the institute you are studying in and your 10th and 12th class marks. Let us take a look at each one by one. First step is to fill in the details of your current institute. You can fill them as shown. You need to fill in details like state, city, and PIN code of your institute. After filling your institute details and admission date, select the board or university to which the institute belongs. You can fill these as per your own institute curricular type. Next step is to fill the 10th and 12th marks. You can do it as shown. Please note that candidates should have obtained minimum 60% marks in graduation for PG courses, that is Geology, Geophysics or MBA. Overall grade point average of minimum 6 in 10-point scale of grading system. Click on Next to open the Financial Assistance section. Here, you can specify whether you are receiving funding from any other scholarship or financial assistance program. If not, you can select No and click on Next. If yes, you need to enter details of the source of assistance and assistance type as shown. Once you click Next, the Bank Details section is opened. Here, you need to fill in the account details where you wish to receive the financial assistance amount. Please fill these details very carefully. Once the details have been entered, the Download ECS form button is enabled. Download the ECS form and sign it. Once signed, you need to get it attested from your bank branch. After completing all the steps, click on the next button. This brings us to the last section where we need to upload our documents. Please note that only PDF or JPEG or PNG can be uploaded and maximum file size is 200 KB. After selecting each document, you need to press the upload button to finish uploading. Also, all documents should be self-attested and the mark sheets should be attested by the head, principal or dean of the institute before you upload them. Let us take a look at each document one by one. PAN card. You need to enter your PAN number and upload a scanned copy of your PAN card, both front and back side in PDF, JPEG or PNG format. If you do not have a PAN card, you can apply for it as early as feasible and enter the date of application in remarks. For Aadhaar card, only unique Aadhaar card number is allowed. If a duplicate number is found or entered, the application will not be accepted. Now, upload your passport photo with a clear background in image format. For OBC or SC/ST, caste certificate needs to be uploaded preferably in English or Hindi language. If your certificate is in any other language, you will need to upload a translated copy for the same. This document is not mandatory for the general category. In the annual income certificate of the family, you need to upload an income certificate preferably in English or Hindi. For proof of age, you can upload your birth certificate or class 10 certificate. No other document will be considered for proof of age. For qualifying marks, you need to upload your 12th mark sheet for engineering and MBBS or consolidated graduation mark sheet for geosciences and MBA. In the declaration, you need to upload the declaration we downloaded earlier, attested by the college or institution you are studying in. If a bona fide certificate has been issued by your institution or college for the scholarship in ONGC Foundation, it can also be considered. You also need to upload self-attested undertaking downloaded in the initial step. You can also upload a bona fide letter from your college here. Once all the above documents are completed, we come to document number 10 and 11. While filling the form for the first time, you generate the ECS form and download the same. Please choose No for point 10 and 11 and in the remarks fill will attach scanned form later. Once you have the ECS form signed and attested by your bank, you can click on Already Registered and log in with your acknowledgement number and date of birth in the scholarship section. Go to the document section and upload the scanned or signed ECS form and the copy of cancelled check. Please press Update. Once all the documents are correctly uploaded, the Submit button will be enabled. Click on the Submit button. This will display a success message pop-up with your acknowledgement number. Please note down the number for your future reference. This completes our form filling process. If you have any queries, you can reach out to ONGC via Scholarship 2021 at ongcscholar.org. All the best for your scholarship application.